Morning, everybody. Today is January the 5th, 2026. We haven't worked on this car since last year. Sounds like a long time ago, doesn't it, Mark? This is Mark, a friend of mine. He's going to be painting the car. And right now he's mixing up the sealer. He's going to spray on the car. And then once he does that, we got to let it sit till it flashes. And then he'll start on the base coat and then the clear coat. So hopefully by this afternoon, the car will be green and shiny. Okay, Mark's tacking it off one more time. We've already blown it off, wiped it down. Now he's running a tack cloth over to get anything else that might be on there off of it before he starts spraying. While Mark's painting my car, I want to show you his car. This is a 1977, but he painted this, and look at that. Beautiful car, beautiful color. I love the wheels and the side pipes. And he's very nice car. Okay, Mark just finished with the sealer coat. You see it, how it's already flashing up, starting to flatten out. The car has 3 coats on it now. I didn't videotape the 3rd coat because I ran to town to get us something for lunch. So Mark says that it needs one more coat to kind of even out the color, but it's looking great. He's doing an awesome job on it. That paint is laying down so good. This morning is January 6th. Mark painted the car yesterday, and it was late, and I don't go and get around it when it was still wet. So we're going to go in this morning, and I'll show you what it looks like. It turned out awesome, just absolutely awesome. Try to walk around it here. Look at that! Wow. Look at that shine. That is beautiful. He did a great job on it. Absolutely beautiful. Exactly what I wanted. So the next thing we have to do is we have to get the wheels back on the car so I can get it backed out of the paint booth, and then we'll bring all the other parts over, and hopefully by the end of today they'll be painted. So I'll be back with you when we get to that point.